This guide will show you how to quickly pair your Shark AI Ultra Self-Empty Robot Vacuum with the app, so you can access to smart controls, custom cleaning schedules, and full command of your robot in just a few quick steps. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the Shark Clean. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Long press the robot's network button, wait for the network indicator light to flash, and follow the voice prompts and steps in the app to complete the network configuration. Open the app and tap Add Device and follow the in-app instructions. Power on your robot, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password when prompted. Once paired, you'll have full control over scheduling, cleaning modes, and more, from anywhere. And there you have it! Your Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is now paired and ready to use. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.